We continue reading Ray Bradbury's The Sound of Thunder, Part 15. It ran with a gliding belly step, far too poised and balanced for its 10 tons. It moved into a sunlit area warily, its beautifully reptilian hands filling the air. Why? Eccles twitched his mouth. It could reach up and grab the moon. Shh! Travis jerked angrily. He hasn't seen us yet. It can't be killed. Eccles pronounced this verdict quietly, as if there could be no argument. He had weighed the evidence, and this was his considered opinion. The rifle in his hands seemed a cap gun. We were fools to come. This is impossible. Shut up, hissed Travis. Nightmare. Turn around, commanded Travis. Walk quietly to the machine. We'll remit half your fee. I didn't realize it would be this big, said Eccles. I miscalculated, that's all, and now I want out. It sees us. There's the red paint on its chest.